Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram bots. So let's get into it. First of all, get the name of the Telegram bot you want. Go onto Telegram and type the bot name into the in-app search bar. Start a conversation with the bot and follow its instructions. Use the bot to carry out relevant tasks. It's that simple. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.